like, subscribe, and press the notification. "30 seconds. Jumping jacks. Your arms shouldn't be straight when you raise them above your head. Half the time. Three, two, 1. 30 seconds. Arm raises. We highly recommend this great arm and shoulder exercise to you. Half the time. Three, two, 1. 30 seconds. Arm circles clockwise. This is a great exercise to build arm muscle endurance. Half the time. 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Side arm raise. Keep your arms straight during the exercise. Half the time. 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Punches. Breathe regularly. Half the time. 3, 2, 1. 16 seconds. Chest press pulse. Too easy. Try harder to push your forearms together. 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Tricep stretch left. Please press your left shoulder down when pulling your left elbow. Half the time. 3, 2. 30 seconds. Tricep stretch right. Please make sure that your elbow is bent to the max. Half the time. 3, 2,
like, subscribe, and press the notification